Wow. Good on you, Apple. Good on you. Apple developer betas have historically been limited to developers who have a paid account that was $99 per year. But starting today, that is all changing as developer betas are now free directly from Apple. Let me show you what I mean. I recently just tweeted the amazing good news and also Apple back to school pricing. Do make sure to follow me on my social media handles. So you can see here, Apple makes developer betas free to download and install. So what this means is that if you want iOS 17, macOS 14 or watchOS 10 or any of the new updates that were just been released, you can now download this. So this is the Apple developer page right here. You can see the website link, developer.apple.com. And right here, it talks about iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS. And if you go down, you can see the benefits and resources. Now here you can see we have sign in with your Apple ID. So this is basically just you signing into your Apple ID without paying for the Apple developer program. So you can see the differences and what it allows for, and they're pretty much the same up until this page. So before today, the change that has been implemented, you can see that this option here that says OS beta releases or operating system beta releases, it's now available for free with just signing into your Apple ID. And before you had to pay $99. You can see this section here that is the Apple development program. This one you do still need to pay $99 US. But before this was unchecked, but now starting today, Apple has decided to make this operating system beta releases for free. You can see the free there, and all you need to do is to create a developer account. You can do that pretty easy, or if you want, you can go into your Mac App Store or your iOS App Store and then search for the Apple developer application. This is the app. I just opened it, and then you can just create an account with your Apple ID. So if you go where it says account right here, you can create one. Or if you want to use the web-based method, you can go ahead and go to this section that says developer.apple.com. And then if you go to where it says account, for me, I do have an account right there. You can see my name. You can see if I go to where it says account right there and I go to where it says software downloads right there, you can see we have all the latest beta releases that have just been released at WWDC 2023. So this is a first of many, and it's a positive change that I think Apple has just taken. Now you don't have to look for alternative unsafe means to try and download iOS 17 or macOS 14 or watchOS 10. You can now get it for free from Apple starting today. But keep in mind that these are beta operating system or beta updates. They are not yet final, so they will have some bugs and issues, and I will recommend that you back up your device in case you need to restore it, and make sure before you attempt any update you have enough charge. This is how you can download iOS or macOS or watchOS 10. You can go into your system preferences, and then if you go to where it says general and go to where it says software update, this is for macOS. Instead of selecting macOS Sonoma beta, you can click there, and then you see this section, you click there again, and you be able to choose macOS Sonoma with just using your Apple ID. You can see mine right there, and this is how you're basically going to get the update. You can see I'm already on macOS 14 Sonoma beta 1. If you want to do this and download iOS 17, once you've registered your Apple ID like I showed you, you can go into your settings and then go to general and go to software update, and where it says beta updates, click there and then make sure you have iOS 17 developer beta selected, and it will use your Apple ID that you created for free to give you the update. And for me, you can see on my iPhone, I'm on iOS 17. For the Apple Watch, in order for you to get watchOS 10 for free, once you've created and registered your Apple ID into the developer system, you can go and open up your Apple Watch application right there, and then go to general and go to where it says software update, and where it says beta updates right there. If you don't have watchOS 10 selected, click and select watchOS 10 right there. And once you've selected watchOS 10, you can go back and you see the update that is available, which is watchOS 10. So that is how it's done. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to register your Apple ID in the Apple developer website or in the Apple developer application like I showed. There's no need for you to pay the $99 per year. And then once you've done that, you have access to download iOS 17 and the rest as I've shown you in this video. So that's about it for me. If you have any challenges or any issues, shoot me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So stay safe, and if you are going to be updating, do so responsibly. Peace.